No. Hacker.
There, I got him.
Finally.
Stop.
10 kills later.
No.
Kill them all. You gotta shoot him, Shannon. you can't run up from behind and only kill one of them.
Cause I missed him. Don't complain.
I'm not complaining.
No, I'm awesome.
Put this on YouTube
Why?
so people can see how you play.
I'm not freaking out or anything.
Why not?
What am I gonna freak out about?
I don't know.
I wanted my grenade to kill both of us.
Oh, just you. That works too.
It didn't kill me. Someone else's
Oh.
grenade. Look at that. I hate this game.
No, you don't.
I do.
No, you don't.
Bullshit.
Language.
It's full poop.
There you go. Double kill. Ultra kill.
Unbelievable grenade.
Yeah. You can do it. You just have to have the whole team stand on your grenade.
Or I could just die.
That works too.
I like that one. Why not? Bad luck.
Go! Go! He's so good. What's your score?
I have no idea. 38, 23.
Can't see it. 38-23.
23 now. Well, you know, I'm...
Your team's losing, Shannon. That shot. So mean. 40 kills. So pro. Yeah.
Oh, I thought I killed the last person.
Good job. Nope. Nope.